In your home, the kitchen is a primary gathering space. We at Stone Dimensions have the privilege of incorporating natural beauty into that space.
This is a product that people really enjoy buying. I mean, there's certain parts of your home, things that you have to do that you invest the money and you do it because you have to. This product is something that homeowners just love buying. The whole process, coming in, looking at all these beautiful slabs of stone.
The quality of our stone products is critical to our success. That's why each and every slab that comes into Stone Dimensions is carefully looked over by our production team. After our engineer measures your space, we will invite you in to view our Slabsmith program. Our Slabsmith will provide you with a 2D digital preview of your project, at which point we can sit down and work together to achieve the best layout before your stone is cut.
We have a state-of-the-art facility because this is the future of this industry. And so that's something about our company. We've always stayed a step ahead of our competitors, and we've always invested in our people.
When you connect with Stone Dimensions, we want you to feel and sense the difference the moment you walk through the door. And we want you to sense the difference with all of the people that you encounter at Stone Dimensions. Our buffalo logo commemorates a family member who passed on in the early stages of our business. So it's at the heart of everything that we do. It signifies strength, perseverance, and determination.